Be honest, when's the last time a Sloppy Joe actually impressed you? Most of us grew up on Sloppy Joes that were just sweet meat on the bun. Nobody's nostalgic about the flavor. This is the Sloppy Joe I want my kids to remember. Smoked beef, a little bit of heat, plus it's ready in an hour. Let's make some new memories. Let's make this. So first thing, this recipe works best with the pellet smoker. I've got mine preheated to 180 degrees. So on to the beef. Now I'm using 85/15. This is about 1.5 pounds. I'm gonna break it into about 2 patties and just form these. So cooking them this way into like these wide patties, much bigger than a burger, really allows you to get plenty of smoke flavor on the outside, on all sides. And that's what we really want, is maximum smoke flavor. They are smoked Sloppy Joes. So from here, you want to use your favorite barbecue seasoning. I'm going to use my Canyon Crust beef seasoning. And feel free to be generous on the outside here, because we're going to need to season the Sloppy Joe mix anyway. And all the seasoning is going to go right into there. Kind of makes you want a really big burger right now. And the best part is that's all the prep that you need. The meat's pretty much ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and take these 2 patties and then throw them right in the smoker. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just set these giant burgers in here, and then we'll let these smoke for about 30 minutes. This part of the video is brought to you by Dalstrong. I really love their Shogun Series knives. This is the Kiritsuke, which is really great for vegetables or fruits. I know chilies aren't vegetables. Not only does the blade stay sharp, but I really love the handle. It's really comfortable. Everything's just well balanced and it feels nice and heavy. I just have a lot of control when I'm using this for a long time. So for your choice of veggies, use what you like. The classic would be celery, onion, and carrots. I'm gonna be using sweet onion, poblano, and jalapeno because I like the Sonoran Southwest style. So I'm only gonna do half an onion today because 1 onion is a lot in this recipe. Now the reason I chose these 3 is because the sweet onion, obviously it's nice and sweet, and it contrasts with that nice earthy flavor from the poblano, and you just want a fine dice. The real MVP of the kitchen, the bench scraper. Right, for the jalapeno, you gotta leave the seeds in for this recipe. Well, I do. Now I just need to remember to not wipe my eyes. Ooh, this is a spicy one, I can feel it. Now I trim the seeds out of the poblanos. For this, I'll just cut it into strips. If you're like me and you're feeding the kids, use what the kids are gonna eat. Thankfully, mine like a little bit of heat. Right, I've also got 2 garlic cloves. I'm gonna press them through this really cool garlic press that I have. This thing is awesome. Look at that. That's awesome, so easy. Now that we've got everything diced up, let's get that sauce cooking so that it's ready when the beef's ready. All right, I've got my cast iron skillet preheated and ready to go, so I'm gonna add just about a tablespoon of oil here. Don't need too much. We'll get that nice and warm. Let's go ahead and add in all the veggies. Let's add a tablespoon of tomato paste. Get that cooked down in here a little bit. Let's add about a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. I'm gonna use my Smoky Sonoran BBQ Sauce. This is a ketchup-based sauce that has guajillo chili puree and a lot of other great ingredients. You're gonna want about a cup of barbecue sauce. And I like to add in a little bit of beef stock too. And from here, we're just gonna stir it together to incorporate all the flavors, and then we'll go check on that beef and get it added in. Okay, these are looking pretty good. You can tell that they're definitely not cooked, but that's okay, because we're gonna take care of that in just a few minutes here. Now that they've got all this smoke color on there, I'm gonna turn the smoker up to 300 degrees. All right, I brought the burgers in so you guys can see them a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and add these right into the skillet. Now you just wanna get like a nice meat masher and just give this a go. Break up this ground beef. Go ahead and get everything stirred together so it's all mixed. Now if you're like me, I like to kick it up a notch. I'm gonna add a little bit more seasoning. This is my Sedona sand. It's a chili powder, so it's gonna make it a little more spicy and savory. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and press this down, and then we're gonna get this back into the smoker. Okay, I am gonna set this in here and let this cook for about 20 more minutes. We'll come check on it. right, let's take a look. Ooh, that's looking good. Give this a bit of a stir. That is a great consistency here. What do you say, should we bring it in? I just brought this skillet in, but dang, this smells so freaking good. You can tell that it's got so much smoke flavor here too, because look, it's even got real nice dark red bits all over. It just looks so good. It just smells amazing. I can't wait to dive into this. All right, let's build one of these. I got a toasted bun. I'm doing plenty of that sloppy Joe mix on here. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to dig in. Now my kids like pickles and I like pickled red onions, so that's what I'm going with. All right, let's slap that bun on there. Let's get messy. Oh man, there's not really much else to do other than just eat it. I mean, you don't need a lot of toppings, just a good grip. Oh my God. It's sloppy, check. The thing that makes this so good is not just that nice, sharp, smoky flavor in here, but all the layers of the chilies, the onions, and garlic. I'm sorry, do I have stuff on my face? I have no idea. Ah, the beard. What can I say? Smoked sloppy joes, just layered with flavor, ready in an hour. This is so freaking delicious. You guys gotta make this. Go make some memories. I'm gonna eat this.